meeting after like almost 2 years. Such में like how you feel?
Absolutely, यार मतलब so much has changed like in 2 years.
I know.
इतना मतलब
We have got Archie, so like you have become a mom.
I've become a mom. I've never thought that the next time we would meet after Thailand, I would be a mother of a child and almost a year. She's almost a year now. Like
She has grown up, and I badly wanted to meet her. Like
Absolutely.
before,
Like,
when she was
fortunately,
a
we-
small baby, but I wanted to hold her in my arms. Now
Absolutely,
she's
yeah.
like so big, and she's scratching me. She don't want to
She's
come.
already
and-
given a scar on my nose. Oh my god! But then it's so surreal. Like so many things changed. I mean, like we were so immature, like when we were in Devlali.
What is the craziest memory you have with us? Like
every
4,
memory,
5
every memory is so special. You know, like everything is so special about us.
Devlali
right?
and us.
Like first time when I came to your house for Major Vishwa's birthday, it was
Yes.
yeah.
August
And
4,
then, yeah, it was then 2022.
23,
22, yeah.
Okay.
So that was the first time we met, and then after that, like, so I like completely remember that
First-
occasion also. So helping you out in kitchen, setting up the cake for him, and then after that, we started catching up, and then our treks.
First, I
and-
think we went for a camping. That was the first beginning of our
Yeah,
all
like,
the travels, everything, right?
Yeah, because you were an enthusiast, and as soon as you
Even
got to
your
know
husband.
that, after his 4th August was Major Vishwa's birthday, right? 9th
Yes.
September was his birthday. That was the first time that we went on trekking.
Before that, we actually went, right? Before 9th
No.
September, we went for a camping.
you
after-
guys.
No,
No.
we all went.
No. 9th September was the first time that we
Acha. Okay.
It was after that we started doing it, yeah.
Okay.
Then I think like that was the first time that we went for trekking, he, me and his sister. And then maybe I just told you you invited us for something like idli.
ऐसे breakfast के लिए,
Yeah.
no?
You invited me, and because I remember like I was going for a haircut, and then I
Oh,
like
I
I
remember.
just rushed to your home. I ate it, and then that's where we
Oh, yes,
discussed.
I
We
remember
went,
it.
and then you were like, okay, next time we will go, and then we planned our first trek, and I don't remember where was it.
ऐसे some dam,
इतना
open
सारा
dam area.
इतना सारा
It was
ट्रेक हो
very
गया
beautiful,
फिर.
and that was the best one. Actually, we reached there about night, and then
अच्छा,
we have set up
yeah.
our camp and all.
Yeah,
टेंट
yeah,
वगैरह
yeah,
पूरा
yeah.
सेट किया, मैगी चाय,
Right.
गुड़ वाली चाय बना के. That was the best
Absolutely.
memory.
And
Yes.
then like trekkings and all also Harish Chandragarh and all of
Yes.
that was so
Harihar Fort,
Harihar Fort, right?
80-degree climb. That was the most toughest, and I
Absolutely.
never knew like
And
how I did it.
Actually, you're
Yeah.
such a sport, yeah, and that also at night when there's no visibility at all.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Ambient light करके we were going with those Fauji
Absolutely,
people.
Yeah.
Everything. And how's your life as a mom in Fauj? Like as a mom, how you feel? How things have changed in army life?
I mean, being a mother, of course, it isn't that easy like it used to be earlier, because earlier it was just me whom I had to get ready, because obviously being in Fauj you cannot just like casually you cannot go everywhere, like
Exactly.
being an officer's wife or anyone, like in general you have to be top notch, or not even top notch, but at least you have to carry yourself well.
Yes.
So now not just me, but I also have to carry my daughter well.
Yes.
So, and then being husbands, they are occupied, you cannot rely on them very much, but then yeah, I've been coping up there also.
I know you are like already independent in your life,
Yeah.
but after a mom, do you think you are like more independent, more carrying yourself, more mature than before? Like even you can't imagine ki, like even am I doing this?
Yeah, absolutely. Like a lot of things have changed within me after being a mother. Like I feel like I've become more independent and rather more calm in that way than earlier.
I know.
Yeah. More peaceful, and then somewhere I've just accepted that you have to just let go of certain things in life. You can't just catch on and hold on to a lot of things. So I've just kept it very simple, and I think like kids ground you down, like they help you somewhere to be grounded, and you just change as a complete person, yeah, after becoming a mother or a parent.
Do you miss
as well.
something which was not before?
Absolutely. There are a lot of things I miss. It's not that I wouldn't say that no, this is like the best thing that has happened. Obviously, it's a blessing to have cheesy in my life. But then obviously there's a lot of things that I miss. I miss working, and of course independent life was one thing of, like
You need not
what kind
bother
of
about-
fun that we used to have, you know,
Yes.
like you remember when we used to go for trekking, it used to be so abrupt. Like I remember one day just me and Arun were just lying down and we had no plans at all, and all of a sudden we were like, let's go for a trek. And then we called you guys, and it was so abrupt that you were
We
not
are-
ready. You were not ready. Nobody came. It's just me and he.
Oh.
That we went. It was like
मुझे याद है,
हाँ.
like you just came to our quarter and you were begging us कि
कि चलो,
चलो
चलो,
चलो.
चलो.
It was
And you all
already
were-
4-5.
Yeah,
I
it was
think-
very late.
Yeah, it was very late.
It was very late, and it was nowhere planned. And we just took our rucksacks, and that's all was needed, like a rucksack and tent and.
But you had gas, stove,
Gas,
everything.
choto.
Chota.
And that was like all for all of us. Like we could have
Exactly.
managed, but then maybe it was very abrupt. And but now, like if we want to go even for a 2-day trip, it has to be so pre-planned.
Even
like
half
everything,
day यार.
half day.
आज मॉल जाने के लिए भी you were
Absolutely,
preparing
like
dal,
preparing
chawal.
dal. Everything has to be so much planned. So that is one thing I miss. Like I'm like, obviously I'm very hopeful. Like one day my kids will grow up, and then I won't be doing all these things for them. Maybe then life will be back to normal. That's what I hope. But then I hope that time I might be having that strength of trekking and all of that, doing all of
Definitely.
that.
Maybe they will also come like पूरा enthusiastic बन के.
We can do is hope for that, but then we don't know how would it turn
But then I
out.
think in army life also we'll get such opportunities.
Opportunity too, there's a
we
lot
are
of
posted in different
opportunities,
places,
yeah.
and definitely we'll have such
Absolutely.
opportunity.
We will have, like I can vouch that at least I will have my husband by my side. Kids, okay, whatever is their life is their life. We can just ask them if they are willingly wanting to join us. It's their decision. We can't just rush our decisions onto them now. That
Yeah.
there's one thing that we have to understand. Ki it was way different for our parents too.
Very true.
Like the way they grew us up, and now that we have our own kids, we cannot be pushing our decisions onto them. And
Yeah.
Because since Thailand, all of that,
I know.
what has changed in you as a person, or
It's very
yeah, I know.
personal. So I have got like more deeper meaning of my life. And then I thought ki it's a part of life, and then I have to move on. So I'm finding new experiences, new interests. Like I'm trying to vlog properly. Like I wanted to be a content creator, not
Yeah.
a full time, but then that's my passion too. So I'll take my time. I say when I sit alone, I feel like I want to create something. Like I wanted to have a creative mind always. Ki I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll paint, I'll do something or the other. I'll
Well, you
sing.
were always like this.
Yeah.
I remember like Devlali, Aditya, and now Aditya. There's so you were like that only. Like
Same
you
like that?
then मेरे को ऐसा ही लगता है कि Devlali also you were like you were very passionate about your vlogging. Because
Actually,
I
it started
remember
then
yeah,
only. Like I didn't have an idea. I didn't force myself to do such things. It just came. That's it.
that is there. Like, but then मेरे लिए तो you were then also that. Now also you are the same person, who's very
Maybe.
shopaholic, who's still that child
And
inside.
I love to cook.
Obviously,
Yeah.
then also you used to cook very
Yes.
such good food for
That's
all
it.
of
Nothing
us.
has changed much.
हाँ,
But then yeah.
maybe
life
inner
is-
peace or something
Yeah,
like that.
थोड़ा
That
सा,
वो तो होगा like
Yeah.
with
time.
us
And then when
maturing.
people changes, when then atmosphere changes.
Absolutely.
But then I haven't found somebody who can bond like you.
Absolutely, like the
Like, I
way
couldn't-
we bonded.
Yes.
Even actually, like that's very true. The way we 5 of us, we all together bonded. We have never found that bond in anyone yet. Like
Exactly.
I don't know. Like we would find it also.
in future also, I don't think so.
Yeah,
Maybe that was a very
and
young
all we are doing is we are
spark,
just
everything.
hoping to get back together. Like again, we are just
Exactly.
hoping on our husbands that maybe somewhere we
We should
come
meet.
together.
Yes.
Somewhere, some course, we clash in.
Let's hope for the best.
Hopefully.
Let's wait for the next reunion.
Absolutely. When we also have the 5th Willy with us.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
He has his family with us.
So let's hope. I nice. So as a whole, we had a great day.
Yeah, what do you think after seeing Cheesy? Like, you know,
Oh, I couldn't believe like
it was
it's
always
a
like ever since she's born, you were planning to come and see
meet.
her.
Yes,
come
every
and see
time
her.
when I see
It
her,
was
I
Kolkata,
wanted to
huh.
meet her. Like I wanted to touch her, kiss her.
But then it was very late that now that you have met her, it's
She's
not very
almost
late.
1
Yeah, she's
year. Like
She is
exactly.
no more an infant or anything now. She's a toddler.
I couldn't believe actually when you guys called us and told after the Thailand
Actually.
trip ki you guys are pregnant. Like, oh my god, we
Yeah,
were shocked.
Yeah, you all were
Thailand
the
mein
first
we had
people
done
whom we
like
told.
all the crazy things like skydiving, scuba diving.
Apart from that, also we
everything.
did a lot of crazy stuff
Ex-
that we shouldn't have done.
Exactly, but all after that, your physical huddles, this, that, and then you are coming and you're telling ki you guys are pregnant. Like we were super shocked and super happy. Like
Absolutely.
we didn't have words ki like you are getting third member to this
Absolutely,
Live
yeah.
Life family. So I was very happy, and after seeing Cheesy is like a doll. Oh my god. So I'm really happy and
Because why was she? She's got no other choice.
exactly
No other choice of having a better companion like you guys.
having like really good time with Chizo and you guys. Yeah, so happy for that.
We
Going
can
back
just
to
keep
our-
going and going about it, like, but then, yeah, better now.
Yeah,
Hold on to it.
nice weather in Pune right now.
Absolutely. It hasn't rained in past 2 days.
That's where we could
Yeah,
go
which is
out.
why we could go out and at least have some time. Or else we would have been stuck that way because it has been pouring for past 5 days before we came.
Hmm. Even my Masi was telling me it was flooded here and
Absolutely.
there.
Like
in
even the
Pune.
taxi drivers and all were like, you know, the day we came yesterday, the taxi driver was like just a day prior, it took like an hour for him to travel just 10 kilometers.
Yeah.
It
Then,
was that flooding.
anyways, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for
Bye.
having me on your
Yeah.
channel.
Welcome always. Bye.